Welcome back everyone. And nakita natin kung paano successfully na-install natin yung ating Python, tama? Ngayon, ang gagawin naman natin before we go installing the IDE, kailangan i-test muna natin kung gumagana ba yung Python sa ating system. One way to test that is to pop up your command prompt. Okay? So, paano natin gagawin yon? Maraming paraan kung paano kunin yung command prompt. Meron na ako kasing shortcut dito. I can simply click on the shortcut. Pero kung wala pa kayong na-set up na shortcut ng command prompt, you can go to your search box and then ilagay mo command prompt. So you can simply type in command prompt and hindi pa ako natatapos ng pagtatype, nakita ko na kaagad yung aking command prompt. So click mo lang doon sa command prompt and here is your command prompt now. Medyo palitin ko lang ng konti para kumasya sa screen. And then, ang gagawin lang natin is we simply type in here the command Python. So, Python. And then you press enter. The moment you press enter, nandito na tayo ngayon sa loob ng Python shell. Okay, this is the Python shell. And makikita nyo kung ano yung version na ginagamit. Okay, at kung kailan ni-release yung version na yon. So, this is very recent. Sa time ng recording na ito, no? And May 13 lang siya na-release, okay? And then some other more information, pero we are basically on the Python shell. And actually, pag nakita mo itong Python shell na ito, ibig sabihin, okay na yung setup mo. Ibig sabihin, successfully na-install mo na yung Python. And you can now play around with this, no? So say, for example, you can use arithmetic operations. Diba, nag 1 plus 1 ka, sasagot ka agad si Python na 2. So 2 plus 2 naman, parang elementary lang, no? And sasagot siya na 4. But this is just to test kung gumagana ba si Python or hindi. But in this case, since nagagawa natin yan, ibig sabihin, gumagana siya. Now, if you want to exit out to the command prompt, kasi nasa Python shell tayo, ang gagawin nyo lang is simply type exit with open and close parentheses, and then when you press enter, you will now go back to the command prompt. Alright? So that is one way. Gagamit ka ng command prompt. Another way is, i-close ko muna ito. Another way is we go again to our search box and then ita-type ko dyan is Python. And marami kang makikita, no? You have the 3.8.3.exe, no? And some manuals, okay? Pero dito sa taas, makikita natin yung tinatawag na IDLE. Now, ang IDLE is Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Okay? Iba pa ito doon sa IDE. Para itong IDE ni Python, no? Yung built-in IDE niya. Pero, hindi lang IDE, kundi IDLE. Kasi yung IDE is Integrated Development Environment while Python is Integrated Development and Learning Environment. Alright? Pag-uusapan natin yan sa susunod pag nag-install na tayo ng IDE. So you click on this and magpa-pop up na ngayon yung ating Python shell or the IDLE. Okay? At kung mapapansin nyo, parang kaparehong-kapareho ito nung nakita natin doon sa command prompt. Tama? And yes, kaparehong-kapareho ito. And kapag ka ito lumitaw without any error notification, no? Ibig sabihin, gumagana ng tama yung Python natin sa system natin. Alright? Okay, so kung okay na tayo rito, yung isang tool sa paggawa natin ng Python code or script ay okay na. Ang susunod na lang natin na gagawin ay i-install naman yung IDE of choice natin. Alright? So I'll see you in that lecture.